In the golden sands of Persia, where the sun kisses the ancient ruins, a forgotten civilization whispers tales of grandeur. The mighty Achaemenid Empire, stretching from the Nile to the Indus, holds secrets of power and beauty, but shadows loom over its legacy. At the heart of this empire stands Darius the Great, a ruler whose vision for unity and prosperity faces challenges from within. As ambitious nobles plot in the shadows, the tension escalates, threatening to unravel the very fabric of the empire. As the winds of conflict blow, the empire finds itself torn between loyalty and betrayal. The stakes rise, as Darius must navigate a treacherous battlefield of political alliances, where trust is a rare commodity. In a sudden twist, betrayal strikes from the most trusted ranks, leading to a devastating defeat that echoes through history. The empire crumbles, a stark reminder of how fragile power can be when ambition blinds the heart. Yet from the ashes of this great civilization, a lesson emerges. True strength lies not in conquest, but in the bonds of trust and unity. The Persian legacy teaches us that the heart of an empire beats strongest when its people stand together.